The chassis is the key attachment point. Agreed, but the front grille looks reinforced.
What about the rear axle? It's exposed.
Good point. We need a multi-point plan.
The cab is a solid backup.
Pressure's climbing. Compensate now. Rerouting power. Stabilizing.
Suction levels are spiking. Adjusting dampeners.
Good. Monitor the weight load. Weight is holding. No collapse. Recalibrate and hold steady. Dive control. Position check for deployment. Deck position confirmed. Ready for crane swing. Control. Line tension optimal. Way to go. Assess risk. Current steady. Proceed. Copy. Initiating swing now. Checklist confirms backup cables are tension to spec. Good. Pointing to the release mechanisms now. They need a function test. Agreed. Visually confirmed. Marking is verified. Marked. All systems green. Yes, we got it.
Relief, but stay sharp.
This is just the start. Good work. Stay focused.
Back to it.
Right. Let's secure it. All right, stepping across now. Gotcha. Hand steady.
Coming over. Watch the probe.
All aboard. Check your cal. Calibrated. Ready to scan. Check the front axle. Corrosion is extensive. Left suspension bolt is rusted through. Rear joint shows pitting. Documenting now. Good. No severity for the report. Left side level check. Right side stable. Secure it. Rear float attached. Checking level. Good. Front strap tight. All secure. Ready. Check the monitors. Position is drifting. Tightening starboard lashings now. Watch the sway. It's increasing. Copy. Adjusting tension. Looks stable. Keep monitoring. Okay, start on the main bolts. Careful, they're rusted. Got it. Lift engaging. Watch the tilt. Keep it balanced. Steady. Moving into the pallet. Good. That's it. Careful with that pipe. It's fragile. Got it. This section looks intact. Good. Let's log the condition. This one's bent pretty bad. Let's try the press. All right, but if it cracks, we'll use the salvage. Pressure's holding. Looks straight. Good. Prep the salvage for the next. Strip this sodden stuff out completely. Now, seal the frame edges. Install the new seal. No leaks. Press it down firm. First, apply the rust converter. Spread it evenly to penetrate the corrosion. The solution is working. See it foam. Now, a second coat for full coverage. Torque it to 15 foot-pounds. That's critical for stopping power. Copy that. Sensors aligned. Good. Now the ABS module. Hand me the ratchet. Here. This bracket's secure. These old parts sort well. Let's get the eco materials ready.
Agreed. The sustainable options feel durable too.
Yep, this batch is prepped. On to the next. All right, starting her up now. Exhaust is puffing smoothly. Good. Listening for any irregularities. Operation sounds stable. Confirmed. All clear.